Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Amazon account for unauthorized purchases, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Amazon account for unauthorized purchases, begin by logging into your Amazon account. Visit the Amazon homepage and click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account and Lists drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select your account. Scroll down to find the Account Settings section. Click on Login and Security. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security verification. After successfully authenticating, check for any unusual activity listed in the Your Recent Account Activities section. Look for any purchases you do not recognize or did not authorize. If you see suspicious transactions, click on the Report a Problem link next to the transaction. You will be directed to a page to report your issue. Provide as much detail as possible regarding the unauthorized transaction. After submitting the report, review your account security settings. Change your password immediately to enhance account security. Consider enabling two-step verification for an added layer of protection. To do this, go back to the Login and Security settings. Find the option for two-step verification and follow the prompts to set it up. Additionally, review your payment methods in the Your Payments section. Remove any payment methods that you do not recognize or no longer use. Finally, monitor your email for any communications from Amazon regarding your report. Keep an eye on your account for any further unauthorized activity. This process ensures that your Amazon account remains secure and protected against unauthorized purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.